Who's ready for some UV resin art? Now today in Byerly Studios, we're going to be working on a tips and tricks kind of video here. We're going to be using UV resin, alcohol ink, as well as a little bit of acrylic paint to create an awesome melted wax effect for the top of candle dioramas. In this kind of situation, I am using it to make a Christmas candle in a full-length content video. So if you want to see the full project video, make sure you check out that hour-long crafting session that we created there. An absolute amazing project video with everything from sculpting to painting. Now we did start off with a raw UV resin straight from the container. Then we added just to taste a few drops of Ember alcohol inks. Now you can use any color alcohol inks that you would like for the project that you have on hand. My candle here is red for a Christmas project. However, you could use any color you'd like. I used around 1 to 2 drops of Ember, and then I also give it a little dab of the same color that the base coat is, and that is a crimson. So it's just 1 drop of paint in this little medicine cup here. Now you will have to put on as many layers until you get it to looking the way you like. I put around 3 layers on average. The goal here is to keep the color of the UV resin just transparent enough to where you see the underlaying clay as well as paint that you had base coated. And to let this one cure up, we're going to go ahead and slide this into my actual UV resin cure station for my 3D resin printer. It really does heat up that UV resin and cures it quite quickly. And then we're going to give it another layer here. Now just remember that you can take away the acrylic drop if you want to and just make it a little bit more transparent. When you do add the paint in there, it makes it a little bit more opaque and it blocks out more of the color from below. But as you can see here, as you build up those layers, you still kind of see the clay and the base coat through those layers, and it gives it a very realistic kind of effect here. I'll be making more of these candles maybe in the next year or so, so stay tuned to the channel, and of course make sure you like and subscribe for more tips and tricks from my studio. Here's the actual overall project completely done, including those drips as well as a UV resin flame effect. Make sure you check out the full-length video, which will be linked here. Let me know what you think about this tip. I'll catch you on the next one, guys.